I put my big one on these hoes, damn. I'm not acrobatic, I'm not flipping on my bros, no. All my shit be factual, I cannot get exposed at all. Grew up talking shit, I catch a bitch before I catch a cold.
Yo, what's good, YouTube, man? It's Savion coming back with another vid, and to be honest, man, shit, I ain't get out of bed not too long ago, but here's the plan for today, man. We about to, you know what I'm saying, clean my room, cause my room dirty as fuck, boy. Like, fuck, like this shit dirty, nigga. Like, they got pizza in the floor and shit. They got clothes everywhere. So I need to clean that shit, just organize everything. It's not really too bad, but we should be able to clean this shit up real fast. But after we do that, man, we gonna hit the gym. We gonna see who there, and I'm gonna try to get some footage for y'all, so that, you know what I'm saying, y'all can see me dropping some niggas off on the court, man. I bet none of y'all can beat me, bro. Look, if anybody think they can beat me, put it in the comment section, bro, because I'll play y'all and I'll drop y'all off, like, live, like, on camera, bro. Like, drop your ass off. Nah, but yeah, that's it for this video. I might do a retwist too, man, because my hair looking a little crazy. Might give myself a little cut or something. But yeah, man. Alright, FYI, this is just like, this like the before of my room right here. And then I'm gonna show y'all the after real quick once I clean that bit up, feel me? And I need a fuck, look at my gaming chair. God damn, nigga. God damn, nigga. Man, I need a new one, bro. Cause this is unacceptable, man. I don't know. I don't know, man. But yeah, let me clean this room real quick. It's my girlfriend shit. Alright, guys, so I'm officially done cleaning my room. You feel me? I don't think it's like, you know what I'm saying, 120% clean, but you feel me? It's straight for right now. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna go all the clothes and shit, got it, feel me? So we chilling. But yeah, man. So now it's time. I'm thinking, like, should I cut my hair? Cause like I want to hit the gym, but time kind of running low for me to hit the gym because Sadia coming here at 4. So I'm trying to think, like, should I wait and do it later? I don't know. Look, I'm gonna just go to the gym first, and then when I come back, if I got a little bit of time, then I just, you feel me, cut this shit up real quick. You know what I'm saying? Get everything straight. But man, we on our way to the gym now, so yeah. Alright, so nobody here, so basically what we're gonna do is we just gonna get a quick workout in, and yeah, man, first thing about, we just gonna, you know what I'm saying, hit a dribble move, hit a little, you know what I'm saying, tween, and then we just gonna get crappy at the rim. So let's go.
tell I ain't been in the gym in a while. The only reason I'm winded is because I took a week and a half off because 2K came out. Nigga. That's the only reason, nigga. Because before that, in the gym every day. Nigga, I had to cancel my workout. And bro, Sadia made a friend. What's good, little dude? I ain't gonna lie, this is the most NPC thing I seen today. I'm not gonna lie. He looks skinny though.
Where was it? I'm probably the first person to see him.
I'm gonna just leave it here for him. He'll probably come back to it later.
I'm gonna leave that whole shit up for him.
Hey man, so that's it for that vid. Yeah, I actually forgot to record an outro for that vid, so this like the next day type shit. I'm recording an outro. Yeah, I'm about to go to work now and shit, you feel me? Got the gear on. But yeah, man, if y'all mess with the vid, go ahead and leave a like. You feel me? Go ahead and subscribe if you want some gear. You know what I'm saying? Cause you know we dropping like this winter type shit. So if you wanna stay tuned for that, you can. Yeah, man, that's it for this video.